Hey, how you doing? Odin here. I'm always wondering how I can add extra value to your business. And I came up with this idea to create a presentation on unique selling propositions. So what I did is I spent hours and hours and hours of research compiling everything that I thought was the best in regards to this material, and I created a workshop for you out of it. All you need to do is put your name, your email, and your phone number below, and you'll have instant access to the workshop. Now let me go through a little bit of what the workshop is about. Well, as you may not know, the unique selling proposition is also known as a USP, unique selling proposition. So what we do is we go through what a USP is. We talk about it as being the heart of your marketing, how to develop your unique selling proposition, how to achieve uniqueness with it. We give you a ton of sample unique selling propositions from a whole bunch of different companies. And then what we do is we give you a checklist. And the checklist is meant to give you inspiration so that you'll be able to sit down, pause it when you need to, speed it up if you have to, and then just kind of sit and actually do the work then and there. This is the time to do the work. It's about 45 minutes long, give or take. It depends on if you're doing pausing or not. We give you tons and tons of examples in regards to the checklist. There's just so much that we're going to go through. You're going to actually go, wow, this is really thorough. And that was the intention. It was to make it as thorough as we could for you as a business owner, so it would help you move your business up to that next level. We know that competitors are out there. And the idea is that we want to show and differentiate to the marketplace, to our clients, that we offer the best value and we offer the best unique selling proposition. So with that, there's nothing better than getting it free, right? So just put your name, your email, and your phone number, and then you'll go on to the next page. And I challenge you to do this. Send me an email afterwards. Just find me online. I'll be reaching out to you. And just tell me what your unique selling proposition is. I want to hear what it is. I want to hear what challenges you're having. I want to help you through those. So thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side with the workshop. Take care.